start with this vitamin C toner to help prep our skin. This helps with anti-aging. This helps brighten the skin. It helps minimize pores. We're just gonna prep her up. Go ahead. An important thing about this, you can never have too much. So we've been talking a lot about tight waterlining. We have the perfect candidate because she loves a tight waterline. That is when, by the way, you take an eyeliner and you place it not on the outside of the eye, but the inside of the eye. And I'm going to show you guys a way to kind of expand upon that idea while also using this, which is called Diamond. It's the ultimate eyeliner in this really beautiful silver metallic shade. I have a lot of swatches on my hand right now, but I think you guys can see that. And I just feel like that's really gonna pop. I also love how easily this eyeliner glides. It takes no work at all. It happens within seconds. I don't have to work hard. We did the black on the inside. And now we're going to take the silver and we're actually going to hit right underneath the waterline to give it an extra pop. Maybe something a little bit more evening forward, but also I just feel it fits with our artsy vibe. Oh. Ouch! Bottle shines a little bit better. She deserves it. So we're going to use the Millennium Glitter Stick. I already swatched a little bit on the behind my arm. Instead of just taking this directly to the face, I'm going to take my finger, take a little bit of the product on here. And now she just has a bit of diamond dusting, if you will, along the eye, but it's not overwhelming. It's just something fun if you happen to notice. We're very personal today. This is the face and body bronzer. Before, when I used this product on a previous model, I used it kind of as a contour, but now I'm using it as a highlight. And I'm highlighting it right on the top of her cheekbone. A little bit right here. So we're lining the lips with Russet. And then I'm also going to fill in the lips just a little bit with this color as well. Alright, if you're ever lining your lip and you have a bit of an oopsie daisy, which happens to the best of us, you just take a small brush, take a little bit of concealer or foundation that you're using earlier. A little bit of lip oil. This is the shade Unbutton. I just want to give her a little bit of gloss, a little bit of hydration.
A little bit of the mocha, right? Like a mocha color.
Yeah. I just feel like it's brought everything together.
Oh.
I know you see.
Yes.